Your iPhone is capable of so much more than you think, but you are likely still using it like it's 2024. It is now 2026, and with the latest updates, Apple has hidden some of the most powerful features we have ever seen. If you have an iPhone with an action button, you are probably just using it for silent mode. That is a huge mistake. You can actually turn that single button into a fully customizable share sheet. With one press, you can search your messages, add a task, or even open ChatGPT instantly. It makes your phone feel like a custom productivity tool rather than just a standard device. But that is just the beginning. Did you know that after years of waiting, we can finally change the snooze duration for alarms? You are no longer trapped in the 9-minute loop. In iOS 26, you can choose any time between 1 and 15 minutes. If you are someone who struggles to get out of bed, setting a 15-minute snooze will change your mornings forever. And speaking of alerts, reminders have received a massive upgrade. You can now set urgent alarms for your reminders. This means your phone will treat a simple to-do item like a loud, persistent alarm that you cannot ignore. It plays on whichever device you are currently near, ensuring you never miss a deadline again. If your battery is dying before the end of the day, you need to turn on the new adaptive power mode immediately. This isn't just low power mode. It actually learns your specific habits and adjusts background performance so your phone stays fast while the battery lasts hours longer. You should also check your background app refresh settings and toggle them to Wi-Fi only to save that extra bit of juice. For those who hate getting bombarded with notifications, there is a faster way to handle them. Just swipe on any alert and mute it for 1 hour or the entire day without diving into the deep settings menu. It is the perfect way to stay focused during work or meetings. Let's talk about the camera. Your AirPods are now more than just headphones, they are a wireless camera shutter. By enabling the camera remote setting, you can click your AirPods to take a photo or start a video. This is a game changer for group photos or when you are using a tripod. Also, if you share articles often, stop sending plain links. You can now highlight a specific sentence and share a link that jumps directly to that text for the person opening it. It saves time and makes your communication much more professional. Searching for old messages used to be a nightmare, but a simple shortcut now fixes Apple's broken search system. By using a dedicated search shortcut, you can find any word across all your conversations with 100% accuracy. Finally, if you hate the new full-screen screenshot previews, you can switch back to the classic thumbnails in the screen capture settings. You can even disable CarPlay screenshots so your phone stops saving images of your car's dashboard. When you combine all these small tweaks, your iPhone becomes the smartest tool you own. If you like these hacks, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech secrets. I believe the iPhone 17 Pro is the best device Apple has ever made, and these software tweaks finally unlock its true potential.